I'm wrong, but I just gotta get it back. Just one more trade.
Yeah. 6 a.m. the screens got that pale blue light. Got a whole damn watch list, but it don't feel right. Cause my eyes are glued, man, I'm locked in tight to the one damn name that ruined my last night. Swore I was done, swore I'd walk away, but I saw that pre-market dip, thought this is the play. I went all in and it bled all day. Now I'm stuck here staring, turning cold and gray. This ain't a trade, it's a toxic romance. I hate this ticker, but I'll give it one more chance. Short in the sunlight, long in the night, doing everything backwards, stuck in this fight. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight a trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my skin is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. My other monitors flashing A+ setups, calling that other tickers breaking out a straight up hauling. My phone is blowing up, my trading group is brawling. You seeing this move? Man, I'm busy falling back in love with the pain, I guess. Adding to a loser, man, I'm such a mess. This ain't risk management, it's just a game of chess, where I'm the only pawn, filled with stress. I see the right move, but my hands won't click. This ticker's like a drug, man, it's making me sick. I just wanna break even, need that one last trick, but the hole just gets deeper, brick by brick. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Is this addiction, or is it just pride? Can't admit I'm wrong, with nowhere left to hide. Got this tunnel vision, everything else died. It's just me and this chart, side by side. I hate the stock, but I can't let it go. It's a sick obsession, watching my account blow. This was never the plan, man, I used to know how to cut the loss, how to let it go. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Spiraling. Down, down, down. It's everything for what? For this one damn name. Same time tomorrow, I guess. Damn.
Yeah, I remember that ticker about a week ago, lit up every screen. Man, what a show. Headlines were buzzing, volume through the roof. Everybody screaming out that bulletproof proof. They were chasing green candles, thought it'd never been, swearing this was it, that I would never end. But I've seen this movie, I read this page before, and I was just waiting for them to find the door. Now the crickets are chirping on the forums and threads. All the to the moon boys, they just went to bed. The news anchors moved on, found a shinier car, and now it's just a number, wondering where the buyers are. Support lines are cracking, but nobody hears the sound, cause they're all busy chasing the new talk of the town. They left this one behind like an old summer trend. But that's where my story, my friend, begins. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just riding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. It's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. It's not about the panic, it's not about the crash, it's not that sudden 100-yard dash. It's the slow unwind, the return to me, the prettiest red chart I've ever seen. Every little rally gets simple truth. The party's over and I'm checking out the proof. Yeah, it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. Some folks need the action, the volatility. They wanna get rich by 2:45. They like the battle, the push and the pull, but I just wait till the room ain't full. I wait for the quiet, I wait for the still, when that rock is just a rock rolling back down the hill. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. This sleepy fade, just writing it down, volume's all gone, back to normal, just a sleepy fade. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts. Gotta check the chart, boy. Watching all these small caps, watching all these chart, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. I be selling quick, yeah, stunning on the holder, boy. RSK, got a many wrist, man. Trade another day, man. Trade another day, yeah. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Used to take the big hit, now I keep it tiny, boy. Read about the blow-ups, that's a different trader, boy. Discipline is all I got, I never trust a FOMO, boy. Used to bag whole stocks, now I'm just a scaler, boy. Yeah, float is low, G, watching for the spike, man. Keep the stop loss ready, all my levels set, yeah. Ain't no second guess, yeah. You ain't talking risk, yeah. You ain't in the session, yeah. Get a mess, yeah. Cuts on cuts, yeah. Gotta keep it tight, Front of red, now I'm in the light. They were holding back, now they see the height, yeah. All I see is charts, all day, all night, yeah. All day, all night. All about that P&L cuts, paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts. Boy, just imagine the risk, saving all the paper, boy. Yeah.
Good morning, traders. Crow getting that VCIG early. 11 to 16, you were hitting VCIG. Unbelievable. I've taken the other end of it. You gave your shares to me up there in the 30s. Trade, I got involved a little early, stopped out, hit it again in the 30s where max pain was and wrote it on down. But wow, 16's out. Okay. Oh, you wrote from 11 to 16. Gotcha. Hey, it's hard to catch the entire piece of the pie here. It's really challenging, especially 33.30 from $8. Of course, the NVIDIA AI GPU, every single word in the PR, they are targeting high frequency traders and those systems because, especially being a low float, we're seeing not only VCIG but AIFF, which is curling up right now. Firefly. So they had some NVIDIA news as well. NVIDIA, I think NVIDIA just that. If you put NVIDIA in your small cap low flow ticker and that's in your headline, you're going to get some volatility volume behind you. All right, traders, let's head to the war room and take a look at some of these names. So AIFF right now, she's on a decent trend on the 1 minute time frame. Respecting it real well. Ascending triangle. Now, we saw this ascending triangle yesterday on a few different plays, right? The one I'm thinking of was EDSA, which is still in play today. So, Crow, your day's not done. There are like actually a few really nice backside plays I do want to get into today that I think have a lot of potential. Team rug pullers, here we go. I got to head out, today and get suited up for tomorrow's that March Madness tournament. Because rug pullers, hey, we're going to win. We're taking the crown, baby. EDSA ascending triangle, not only on the daily time frame, but then we zoom in a little bit. And yeah, the 1 minute was a little clear yesterday on EDSA for the ascending triangle, but the same thing here. And we could draw it out. Ascending triangle up towards the magic 20 and then pop. So the volume, you see volume increase there. That's what we'd be looking for. So AIFF is a candidate for that, certainly, especially with the NVIDIA news. It's got 217. I'm seeing it's a 200-day moving average. I could see this one get a pop too, especially as it's approaching very similarly to EDSA. The magic 20, slow and steady on this ascending triangle. Could see it happen. Tuna, we'll get into it. We'll get into the March Madness. Well, I mean, you pick a coach or you pick your own 5 tickers. Essentially, you can pick your own 5, long or short, and then a week from, I think they take the trades on either Friday or Monday, and then the week thereafter, they kind of tally up the totals and see who did the best. VCIG, this one, 23, this level right now is at. We got to look left a little bit, VCIG. So, Crow, what was the telltale sign here for you? I mean, you got involved 11. You were in this thing early. Were you in? Look at my cursor, Crow. Were you in like here or here on the pullback? NVIDIA news. Yeah. You just in small cap land, low flow. That is just that's the holy grail, if you will. People are looking for the holy grail. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much the holy grail. You taking NVIDIA and putting it in a small cap. So that's why AIFF is going to be on the radar as well. All right. It looks like VCIGs have done so many reverse splits that it's kind of hard to look at the past chart history. But here recently, $20 looks like hey, it's kind of following the theme too, Crow. Hitting 52-week lows. Hitting a couple themes. VCIG here, 2050, right around 20. Yeah. Okay, I was seeing 7 milli in the flow. You're seeing VCIG 588,000. Does it have a large percentage of their insiders that hold it or institutions? VCIG 20 is a level you want to monitor. Man, where's this thing going to go from here? With that, that's what's interesting. Where does she go from here? She got inflated to that degree. Does it hold the 20 level? Because I was monitoring a few other rooms, and everybody's looking at VCIG and feel like they're missing the trade they probably bought in up here. Volumes died out. I mean, with that NVIDIA news behind it, does she just bleed out or is she going to find her legs? AIFF testing the resistance. Guys, volatility in 8 minutes here is going to be pretty wild. We're going to have some wild volatility at the open. So just be mindful of that. A couple plays that I'm looking at on potential backside are going to be yesterday. Man, look at this play. Guys, by the way, let me just air this out real quick. Get this out of the way. Oh, this just makes you want to throw your computer out the window. It's freaking battle. I didn't even lose that much on it. You guys know this was pretty much all I was watching yesterday. BATL. They offering to 550, and here I was like, man, I'm gonna get liquidated because day trade the day trading accounts get liquidated 350, and this thing's gonna freaking bleed after hours. Oh my god. Anyways, battle is still. I like it still. I do like battle. I can't be sitting. She's getting me emotional, especially if she's going to just bleed out now today. But I'm going to have to watch her again today. Why she held up all day yesterday, I don't know. I don't know. But I had to stop in it. Anyways, there's that. T-Pet. This is a nice looking pattern here. Yeah, Crow. It just was so aggravating. Like, why were you holding? It's like when it was holding to that degree, I was thinking to myself, they're going to do it after hours. You're just going to wait till after hours. TPET 1.6 is a really strong level. $2 resistance. $2 resistance on it. So those are really the levels TPET. There's several really good backside looking plays, guys. It's TPET. EDSA is up a lot. It was in a this this is up a lot. Look, if EDSA holds up, this is going on Team Rug Pullers list. I already have my list. I mean, if Battle holds up, Battle's on it. Well, I'm not going. I won't give it all away just yet, but we got a few. We got a few candidates certainly, but the small caps are hard because I'm going to pick them like tomorrow, and then what if they dump that day, and then Friday they take the trades. I gotta look into that. So EDSA is up from 70 cents to 450. It is holding the previous close fairly well there, 4.3s. So that level really eyeballing EDSA. And then TMDE and Turb. There's a couple other ones. Turb put in a power hour move yesterday. This thing squeezed out a bunch of shorts in today. This is energy play. And then now we have really a couple nice areas on it. It slowed down a lot sitting on the Magic 20. Look at that Turb. Slowed down a lot right on the Magic 20. And what does that remind me of? Yesterday, TMDE over on TTP stream. This thing, look what it did. It slowed all the way down right on $4, and then volume didn't come in and validates, descending triangle, cracks, and really provided a nice short. We called out live there. And TMDE, I like this one now. Slowing down. It's under some levels. Really under a lot. I mean, we have 3.5, 3.2, several risk areas and up quite a bit. So we have a few different plays backside that I think are worth stabbing at. A few of them, few decent plays because all the hype and volume. Look, like the longs are going to be over on maybe VCIG, AIFF, and we can work some of the other backside plays. So that's pretty much the list this morning. Good morning, Fades. Howdy.
Good morning, bro. What's going on?
Yeah, I think there's some good opportunities. We had a lot of volatility yesterday. I mean, I like the trader maturity that we had in that we really weren't involving ourselves in a lot of it. But I think today maybe worth a little stab on a few of them. What do you think?
Yeah, there's been definitely some overextended runs. I think today kind of let the market breathe, and now it's like midweek, and there should be some good opportunities for sure. Like attention scattering, momentum shifting, right? It's like the momentum can't stay with every stock forever. Like it has to shift and come and go.
Yeah, and there's a lot. Just like Tuna brought up, MOBX. That was they had the
Right.
they had a government contract, but that thing's up from 14 cents to $1.20. So there are several really good plays if they don't get
Mhm.
volume, like you said, because how the Mob X is funny because mob's in the name, but the mob cannot be on everything. It just can't.
Oh, you already
What?
know what I'm mad about. You already know what I just saw.
Oh,
What were we
battle.
trading yesterday? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've been. Where's she? Yeah, I know. I just had gone over that one. That one pisses me off to the nth degree. I mean,
Yeah.
but it is what it is. I knew they were
I
going to
just
do
saw
that.
it's down 40% pre-market. I'm like, are you shitting me? Like,
Dude, I knew they were going to do it in after hours once they were holding the damn thing up
mhm.
all freaking day. What like, ugh,
Yeah,
whatever.
it's like once you see that when they just keep chopping it around, like going into lunch, it's better to just step away, come back at 334 and like reassess, right? I feel like that's the winning approach.
Man. Yeah, that one. There's still room on it, but I just pretty much want to hit it on pops since it's trading
Yeah.
so irrationally yesterday. I just want to wait for pops to come into it and then take
That
it
damn
from there.
oil theme just held it together a little bit longer than we wanted it to, you
Yeah.
know? Turbo, same thing, had a little pump. It's already rejected though, already down 24%. Turbo Energy, it's that same energy oil kind of theme.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot of backside plays to look at. I'm wondering if I should sprinkle on a bunch or just really just wait and see what they're gonna do because there are a lot of guys
What's your like
RXT.
top couple ones that you look at?
Um,
Like your favorite backside right now? What do you think? When I hop in the stream, that TMDE chart you had pulled up, that looked pretty good. It's like the range might
EDSA
not
and
be
TPET.
massive, but TPET. Sorry.
TPET and EDSA. I mean, TPET's bouncing still off of 1.6. Um, EDSA is holding previous close, but again, if they get volume, I'm just gonna avoid them. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Mob X looks real similar to those. Like it's still holding the previous close, which I don't like to see. Honestly, probably Turb. Probably TURB is my favorite because we're below like the squeeze levels.
Yeah.
And
Right. It's like
and
rollover.
TMDE and Turb are probably my favorite backside. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
TMDE looks super slow.
Yeah, that TMDE looks great. That probably looks like the best one so far. Again, it's energy, you know.
They're both energy, so it's like, do you
Yeah,
trade both
right.
of them or just wait or just trade one of them?
Yeah, right. Let's take a look at the main market going into open. What that's
Yep.
doing.
There's the bell, guys. AIFF trying to bounce off a 1-2. VCIG is probably going to be fairly volatile here. The 20 level is going to be key-ish on it. I'm going to take a look, see if we're printing on VCIG.
Yeah.
That one's
Wonky
wild.
wonky.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
The wild old wicked west. So we are getting a little increased volatility there. It's getting
TMD.
slammed on that pop. The VCIG getting slammed on that pop. AIFF is holding up. AIFF's for the bulls out there. That's probably your best looking chart in this ascending triangle.
Mhm.
It looks good. AIFF squeezing up. AIFF had Nvidia news as well.
Yeah. Main market having a nice little pump.
Yeah, those
NCI.
MOBX. Take a
Yeah,
look.
NCI had a little pop, and now it's at key resistance. I mean, there's like a quadruple top at mid sevens now. It's all
I'm
the way.
hitting MobX with. Yeah, tuna. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna start getting a piece on MobX. I'm gonna put another order out 132 if she gets up there.
I mean, yeah, there's so much range there. Like it didn't come from 50 to $1.20. It came from 15. So there's a lot of range. NCI, little seller. TMDE, ask is heavy for now. That one looked the heaviest of everything.
Okay.
Can fight biopharma. Are you long or short? What are they doing?
CANF was one of the gainers as well. Yeah, TMDE just looks
Okay, yeah, Can Fight's going crazy right now. What did they release?
oh, they're halted. Yeah.
Did that just happen just now, or they've been running?
VCIG halt down. Oh shit.
Oh wow.
It's kind of MOBX. That's good. Good. Tuna. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, MOBX looks great for the range. What is that thing running on? Mobix Labs.
It was the government contract for
Ah,
their whatever. Yeah. I mean, dude, but it's up 17
yeah,
cents.
those run hard, but then they dump hard, like we talked about. Like any
Yeah.
good news, eventually once some momentum shifts, it needs to pull back. So
Little
even like
review, EDSA holding the previous close. TPET, TPET looks done, almost like Mob X. Again, the 1.6 level. You got to monitor there. Battle, FU. MOBX looking great under the previous close now. TMDE, man. God,
yeah, TPET definitely looks heavy. That move it put in.
TMDE looks, I mean, done.
Yeah, TMDE was textbook. That thing's been heavy.
Mob X, where are we going, dude?
Yeah, it's like energy rollover day.
CANF's, is that Amex? CANF, Amex? Let me take a look because I want to see the.
I don't know if Weeble shows me.
Yes, it is Amex. So that means we're not going to get the actual resume price on it.
Okay.
Just an FYI, traders.
Can fight. Yeah, that was a pretty intense pop this morning off that news.
Mob
Eight.
X is a great hangover, dude. I got that. That's a beauty. Good call on that, Tuna.
Mm-hmm.
TMDE is done. That one's done too, but I feel a little chasey on it.
Yeah, that 3 area when it's got heavy and cracked. Gave up 30 cents after that real quick. 10% instant drop.
TPET back to the 1.6s. I mean,
It's just sometimes you get mornings like this. They don't happen often, but sometimes they do where things just all crash at the bell. Like it's just
TPET.
most of the time you're not going to get clean action like that at bell, but
I'm thinking about a TPET entry too.
mm, 2 5s. Yeah, it's like you got FOMO now. I have all this stuff's done, but it's like TPET looks like inevitably going to crack below that mid 1.5 and go lower now.
The ask is stacking it with the 1.6s. Yeah, TPET looks really good, guys.
It's like that's been the theme, the rollover theme. It's like lately we'd be scared they're going to wash it back up or like wick it back up, right? But it's been kind of a sell
Right.
off. So it's just, it
You're
changes.
right. It's like the sentiment. The sentiment's here. Everything's kind of weak right now. So I didn't take TPET yet, but it looks good. It's right on that line, guys.
Yeah, it's right here.
All
Key. I
right.
mean, the Bulls have to have hope right here. And it doesn't, I mean, everything's saying that it's going lower, but
Yeah, what a beauty. It's just too obvious. This one.
mhm.
I can't pull the trigger either. All right. We got a couple that are about what?
In hindsight, sprinkle theory would have been real good.
Yeah, exactly.
But like we
Can't,
said, it's like how often is it at 9:30 that they all behave like that? Like it's just it's not realistic. We've seen it. We've been here long enough to know.
Mob X has so many orders sitting on it. CANF's going to open up soon. CANF. So let's monitor that one. CANF just opened.
Okay.
Sweet baby spread. VCIG opened. Yeah, I'm kind of monitoring both of those right now out of that haul. We didn't really resume. They resumed right around their
Okay, CANF.
close price.
It's like
Oh
the
my
spread's
God,
like it gets 10 cents and then it goes to like 50 cents, 60
bro,
cents.
don't even look at TMD.
Oh
Hasn't
yeah, I know. I've been watching it.
halted down. I
Oh
only
my.
said that was my favorite one to short.
Yeah. Yeah,
And
I've just been
T-Pet.
hesitant at the bell after with the nature of this market lately, but yeah, in hindsight, today was the day to short
Josh,
the
there's been several really good hangovers. Mob X is the only one I've taken, MOBX, which I'm kicking back with right now. Yeah, TMDE and Turb. Turb is still up at Turb is still a candidate because that one's sitting there real still. And then yeah, TMDE, what a beauty. Good job,
Yeah,
Josh.
it's just then that's the beautiful thing is what happens like, right? We get irrationality in a market in the theme, right? And everything goes crazy, and then there's rollover day. And this is pretty much rollover day, right? Like or
Hmm.
hangover day, whatever, it's like we all partied all week, pumping energy, all the bulls partied, and like now it's hangover day. Like that's literally what happened. So
Yeah. Yep. Good play,
And
Josh. What a
because
beauty.
the market's recovering too, ironically, like that's not for no reason. Like so the theme and the sentiment is kind of slowing down, rolling over, the market's recovering. It's like a new balance, essentially.
Yeah. Second halt CanF just halted again, halted up.
Oh, okay. Nice. Someone who got that? Someone said they were getting in that. Yeah, Crow. Nice.
Hey Josh, are you still in here? NPT. We were covering that on stream yesterday. That's halted up right now. NPT. That was Josh. Well, hang on. Was it NPT or was it? Yeah, it was NPT. Josh was calling for the end of day NPT move. That happened, and it's halted up right now.
Hey man, crystal balls.
I
It's gonna
know.
be an interesting March Madness with all this crystal ballery.
I was thinking about ordering a crystal ball.
You like
Can
put that in the thumbnail for your videos? It's just like you holding the ball.
yeah, that might.
I start a new YouTube crystal ball trader.
I, the SEC might come after me
Uh,
or FTC. Man, VCIG is that halted down now? It's not moving. Yeah, she's halted down.
yeah,
Wow.
man, yeah, it's just that
Oh
sell
my
off.
God, she's opening a lot lower too. Well, I mean about a point. Yeah, FOMO ain't working
Yeah,
today.
these charts
Oh,
all look similar. TPAT, MOBX, TMED, NCI. It's like everything's rolling over. Yeah, but it's funny because the market's pumping.
what's funny? So Joe has a funny team name. He was gonna call his Fo- FOMO sapiens. I thought that was so clever.
Yeah, that's good. I like that.
AIFF is still hanging out, guys. I mean,
So what are you? You have to pick a play that's going to be long or short for like a week. So what is your strategy? Like, what are you thinking?
I'm gonna pick like something like the BNAIs, something that's up. Is that one still hanging out at like 50? It's at 46.
Just
You know,
go to
that
the
thing.
1 month list and throw darts, shorts.
Yeah, BNAI is up from like whatever, a few dollars to 50.
Yeah, right. It's
So
like that theme.
those are
Hmm.
the ones I'm gonna be looking for. Just yeah, it's exactly the monthly time frame,
Yeah.
and I'm either gonna be it's
You come out with
it's
an offering and you're rich, or and just keep grinding higher.
it's not gonna be
Grind
like
higher.
a don't expect a modest like 5% gain.
Yeah. Right. It's either blow up or 50% haircut.
It's 100%. Up or down?
90% return on your short in a week. You're a legend.
Yeah.
Talk about for the next 10 years to trade the pool legacy.
Turb is lower. It did crack under the 220s. Everything's working out. I mean, everything. Everything is working.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, look, like I could see this thing at like $1.40 in the day. Let's just get a pop on these. Let's get a pop on something to get an entry.
Turb.
They're all like confirming. I hate being like that where I'm like, I'm not going to take the trade because I missed my perfect entry. It's like, well, they're working. T-Pet,
Yeah, that's just where it's like DCA on the day, you know? Like,
yeah, you gotta. And
just get in
battles
small and assess
selling
it.
off.
It's like,
Mob X, yes, Mob X a lot lower.
oh yeah, these things are behaving great today. Good lord. It's like the whole theme just died. I mean, I think I got some notification about the war stuff, but it's pretty obvious. Like you can just see it in the market, right? Like what's going on. All this energy oil theme is rolling over. The main market's recovering. It's like we're finding stability again.
Yeah, this thing could halt down. We have a few NPTs going to open up. It looks like, yeah, NPT opened up. NPT's higher. Whoa, NPT's higher.
NPT, okay. Oh yeah, that's on the day.
That may halt up again.
50% on the day. Reclaiming that. What it went from maybe a head and shoulders to a no, not so fast. We're still pumping.
Right.
So a few shorts caught with their pants down there. Um, yeah, there's been some good ops today. It's like one of the cleanest bell morning for bears I've seen in months. Literally.
Mhm.
I mean, no doubt. Definitely could say that with conviction.
NPT definitely good. There's going to be an opportunity here. And then
Yeah.
VCIG going to open up. It looks like 17, yeah, right around this price, VCIG. So both of those we're monitoring right now. VCIG going to open up soon.
Looks like all the ASNS is
And
all where the chief warriors are at. Penny
dude,
pumpers.
battles under 15.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I should have swung short that thing. That was silly not to. That because that was just such good conviction. Damn it. I hate that when you're right on the trade and it's just wrong timing. Happens so often. Happens all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's smaller size, let it breathe. Something like that would have been a good overnighter, honestly, with that offering looming and
Tuna,
hindsight.
what you been doing? You been full degenning them, or just this volatility? VCIG lower. VCIG, dude, are we gonna round trip on this thing?
Yeah, it's easy to blow up, because you have too much buying power. You have way more than you should. That's like the whole thing, right? With props, they all just give you a ton of leverage because it's appealing, but how to build these accounts and keep them is just small, precision. But I do like being more ambitious on evals because the RR, right? But like once you're funded or even close to funded, you should definitely be taking it slower.
Man, that T-Pet 160 crack, dude.
And yeah, the Warriors just find the next cheap play and go pump it. Like they all just jumped over to ASNS and just left everything for dry. Like
Yeah, CCHH a little pop. Crow, good alert. TMDE's just been a beauty. It's been next level beauty.
Yeah, it's just,
And take note of that, guys. Like, why was it the favorite? It was just because it had so much resistance above it and was still up a lot.
hmm yeah, I mean, all over it, dude. Uh, damn, tuna. Yeah, but another trade. Yeah. Yeah, if you're in big and like two stocks and you get like variance at the same time, you hit max loss or something, like that can be annoying.
948.41 Crow. 948.41. Where are we at right now? We got a minute. What's NPT doing? NPT's kind of just struggling around here, 15, but it's holding.
NCI is kind of churning still.
VCIG just straight freaking down. I need to. This one's probably halting again. Yeah, it's halted. Hopefully, Baron's okay on this. Baron, you in here? I feel like he would have. This would have been one he'd be hitting in pre-market. I hit it too, man. I took a loss and then got it back, but
Which one?
VCIG. I was in a short fairly early, but thankfully just stopped out and revisited. All right, CANF about to open up. Nope. CANF going into another 5 minutes, it looks like.
Mm.
And NPT still creeping around the 15 level, guys. Yeah, the NPT still creeping here. I mean, this is on really light volume too. So, look, she might have a decent short interest. Yesterday I was playing around with NPT a little bit, and it was hard to get trades in and out of the thing. It really felt like it was the AFJK ANPA kind of trades.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, CANF is pending news. That's why that they're
Yeah,
they're
no, it
halt.
makes sense. Reload
So
my tea while we're waiting on this news.
there was this different news because CANF came out with their phase two trials this morning.
Yeah, I saw the 2A trial or something, right?
Yeah.
So is there something else? Like,
Yeah, that's what I was wondering too, if there was something else. Okay, guys, EDSA on alert. On alert. 5-2's just rejected. I think I'm gonna involve myself in this. I got to sprinkle on a few of these backside plays, man, because they're all working so well. But EDSA just tried the 420s, couldn't hold on.
God, if we could have just grabbed our balls and sprinkled this morning.
I know. I'm gonna see if I can get a fill on EDSA against the highs. Essentially, that's what I'm thinking here.
TTP, limit hours for slow place. Move fast to take profit. Yeah, sometimes the spreads can be annoying. Definitely depends on what you're trading, tuna. It's like certain stocks, you got to trade them a little bit differently for sure. That's what I've realized. Like having, with the 10-cent rule, like having some money offshore or something to like scalp, like true penny stocks, right? Or also to check like how much are shorts on this stock. Like are shorts really expensive versus like a free short at TTP? comparing that, having the power to, you know.
Just straight flush, no pop. EDSA I'm not involved with yet, but I like it. Looking for a pop there, but I don't know if it's going to happen. God dang it. This chart's really nice. Under 435, that one's gone. AIFF is gone. Is that halted down? That's at $1. AIFF. CANF is not even on the halt scanner anymore. So we're just gonna, if Charlie's right on the pending news, we're just gonna have to sit here then and wait on it because it.
Interesting.
T-Pet lower, battle, FU, Mobx lower. What are we missing here? NPT is holding VWAP right now, and then VCIG just opened. I think VCIG just opened.
Okay.
Yeah, JZXN. I see that.
Man, friggin' bloodshed today.
Yeah, for the FOMO sapiens, VCIG is killing them.
Oh my god, yeah. Wow, look at that chart.
JZXN is halt. It looks like it's about to halt up. This Chinese junker, JZXN. What did they come out with this morning? They announced $1 billion equity deal for 10,000 Bitcoin with global digital asset investor. $1 billion plan to acquire 10,000 Bitcoin from a strategic investor.
What? Well, it sounds like a good plan, but
Yeah.
they might come out 6 months later and say our plans didn't work. We need to offer.
Yeah, this is Jizu Holdings. This was in play not long ago. Exactly. They're like, actually, our plan is for our investors to invest 10,000 Bitcoin. Yeah,
Right.
offering out.
We're all investing together.
Yeah.
This is a teamwork. This is a team effort. I can already see the conference calls a few months from now when they offer and yeah.
Okay.
Up to the story.
Wow. STAK halted down. That's a resume of 2 cents, 3 cents I'm seeing. Wonder what happened with them. Market's wild right now. Yeah. Overall, SPY is a little choppy around the open. Guys, we got a CANF is still halted. Does anybody have anything on CANF? Can this thing F and open? Yeah.
I mean, what more news did they come out with? Suspended, yeah. ASNS, I mean,
It already tapped this major resistance, guys. If you're looking with me, left here, about 14 is that level, the upper wicks there. No level 2 data on the halt. Crow, this might be your first like T12 or H11. No, I don't wish that upon you. That would be awful. That would be so awful. Oh my god. I don't know how I've not been involved in one of those, but jeez.
yeah, right. God, I've been dealt with so many sketchy stocks over the years. It's not even funny, dude.
Crow. Crow's used to him. Never mind. He's a pro. He's like, I have a T12 halt strategy.
Right. Get on Twitter and start bartering shares.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yes, I've heard of this. Crow, the transfers you can do. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds like probably the way to do it, especially if they're under investigation or something and your long and shorts don't want to pay the overnight fees and it's just Okay, M I think is code for volatility. CANF has a T1, then now it's M. I think M is volatility code. Could be wrong.
Yeah, that is kind of crazy how you can like actually trade shares, like transfer
Uh-huh.
longs and shorts.
Oh yeah, reason LUDP. Yeah, that's volatility. VCIG. Oh, but that was it's not given a resumption trade time though.
Yeah, I'm interested to see really what the market's going to do. If it's going to keep pumping here, or if we're going to head back lower. Main market, as far as that goes, and then Pennyland. Yeah, I mean this is the cleanest bell fade I've seen in ages. Seriously, guys.
VCIG's halted again. I trying to keep my eyes on CANF. VCIG halted down. Ouch. 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 Ouch.
Wow, right after a relief bounce. That's crazy, dude. That's range. Like that's a lot of range in itself. That little micro move, 18 to 14s. Like
That's
that-
TAK about the yeah, I know, dude. God, that thing's been
yeah.
getting crushed.
I mean, that move in itself is like moves that we see all day in ranges on some of these things. Like it's wild. I don't even want to look at battle. Dude, that one is painful because it's like I
Stack
don't
is
know
going lower.
why.
Stack is halting and going low. Hang on. Sorry. I thought it was large alert. I was looking at STAK because this thing's been selling off a lot, but it's now it's halting. Might be halting up. I don't know what's going on with that ticker. I'm gonna take it off the list though. What
Hmm.
we're sorry to interrupt. Thought there was a halt down. What were you saying?
Oh yeah, no, I was just mourning the miss on
Yeah.
battle. Yeah, just oh god.
Oh
Look
my
at that
God, she's
chart
at
now.
13.
Look at the chart now. Oh god, it's like oh man, we knew it. They didn't release the gates right away. Of course they didn't. They had to play with it a little bit.
Look what's funny on it too. They tempted longs with an inverse head and shoulders yesterday. I mean, this is a pretty looking inverse head and shoulders on the day. But for I guess the longs that don't know what an offering is, they're buying it up.
Oh my god, man.
I
Yeah, I should have just been scaling and monitoring that thing, but hindsight's always 2020.
it is. I mean, I was ready to just lean and lean and lean into
Yeah,
it.
we were
That's
on
like
it. Just we wanted it instantly, and we had to be patient with it. That's really what it came down to.
Mob X at 79 cents right now, guys.
Damn. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a sweat-free one.
Yeah. NPT, it is turning into that liquidity trap. I mean, it's in this kind of a bull flag right now and it's holding VWAP. It's on such little volume that it's sketch. I mean,
Yeah, so we got 500K volume, $14 a share. Yeah.
mhm. So Crow, yeah, we did pull under the dollar and it popped up. That's not unusual there. If yeah, with that Nvidia news, she really hasn't had an exaggerated like move on it yet, so I could see something coming. Yesterday they had Mob X. They were running all day. Oh my God, EDSA. You shitting me? This thing's bouncing off the previous close right now. There's still a lot of room on it down. Gave the alert out 4/8. Haven't taken anything yet, but she's a great looking chart. This thing's up a lot. I mean, I really could see this thing sub 350 today.
It's so funny because yesterday, like pre-market, it was like, yeah, we don't see that many hangover-looking charts, and then like today, it's like they're all just present themselves, right? It's like back to what we talked about. The market can flip over in literally one day.
Yeah. This is a great looking chart. For a healthy pullback.
Blood everywhere, pain, blood, nightmares.
Respecting the magic 20. I mean, it's just this thing's a kind of a screamer, but I don't want to short it right here on this support previous close.
Yes.
Been waiting for a pop on it, haven't gotten it. I had an order out on it. VCIG halting down again. Wow.
The CEO bought shares yesterday. Or reports that he bought shares yesterday.
Somebody just lost their whole account on VCIG.
Oh yeah.
Probably more than just somebody. There's a
Maybe
lot.
probably both ways too, to be honest with you. I mean, 100% both ways. Like shorts blew up and then longs blew up.
Mm-hmm.
And in hindsight, if you were sized small enough, you could have rode that trade both ways. I mean, that was a very clean trade both ways. But it's like if you're over biased and oversized, it doesn't matter. Like you can't zoom far out enough. You can't let it breathe enough. Like everything matters too much, and that's too much risk to ruin. But yeah, that one, man, could have milked it both ways now, looking back on it. I mean, that was really clean.
I mean, is there a dead cat bounce opportunity coming on it? I don't want to chase this short here, but there could
Yeah,
be a
I don't
decent
know.
bounce. There could be a decent bounce, maybe. EDSA is just snapping, guys. Just
Yeah, it kind of had the dead cat bounce from like 15 back to 18, and then it rejected lower now to all the way to 13. So it's like, it's tempting, but I don't know. Are they just going to completely bury it? It's kind of one of those vibes where it's just round trip rent's job at this point, right? And it's still up 60%. Halted down. Good Lord. Yeah, that's wild, bro. That's the round trip rent's job song that Byron has to come out with next.
Oh man. Mourning all of these plays.
Yeah, I know, man. FOMO sucks. It's just like, it's just knowing that things can change quick and being ready to step up when it's time. It's like today was obviously the day to step up. When we see multiple the theme rolling over, everything's overextended. It's like everyone got to play, right? It's just like the over ambitious and the greedy are the ones that are in timeout now. Because it's like the Bulls had plenty of time to ride these trends and enjoy the hype and all this and that. But it's like you can't overstay your welcome. Like, and then gravity, everything has to come back down, right? Like
Yeah.
it has to correct a little bit. So then that's where short step up. It's where short, and it's like, looking back at that,
AIFF higher. I mean, up. They might again. This one hasn't had an exaggerated move quite yet. I mean, so we might see this thing. It's in that a little inverse, mini inverse head and shoulder it formed, and then 1-2 now is holding. It's back to green on the day.
man, yeah, that's an interesting little Lazarus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
CANF, I'm real interested in. I really just
Yeah, that's interesting.
trying to see what's going on here.
Right?
Maybe they're about to come out with their phase 3 study now.
Yeah. Right, they're like 1-2 punch.
Yeah.
How the shorts comfortable. It's only phase 2, and they're like, oh, phase 3. I don't know. Maybe they're in bed with like a big company or something. Because it's like, it can't be bad news, right? I mean, how would it be? What are the odds it's bad news? I mean, I guess maybe somehow they could offer after the phase 2. I mean, that's possible, perhaps. I don't know what their share structure and all that looks like, but I mean, that's just a big like fu to shareholders if they actually did that. Which
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure a company's done that before. Probably wouldn't be the first time, right?
VCIG opening up in about 6 seconds, guys. 6-7 seconds. Dead cat bounce on the way. I don't know. I mean, this thing is capitulating, dude. Oh, it's going into a 10-minute. Okay. Another 5 on it. All right, dude. Charlie, I'm gonna pull a Charlie real quick. I gotta hit the head fades. If CANF opens up, scream, because don't scream. I got my headphones on. You don't need to scream. You can whisper. I'll be right back.
All right. Halt center bloodbath today, guys. Yeah, NCI might follow the herd lower as well. There are risk levels there, guys. Honestly, it looks pretty good right here for RR.
What do you do, Doug? You got 150 shares VCIG at 1630 short, so you should be good, right? Had to walk away. Saw 20 on the resume. It hasn't been. It's been resuming like right there near its close price. Which has that been getting you? Or
I think there's so much range that's already happened. I'd be scared to chase a halt with big size.
T-Pet under 120 now. Dude, T-Pet might just completely give it all back.
Oh,
Man,
God. Yeah, it's like that 1.5. Yeah. Was that the one that was 1.5 do or die? Yeah, I lost track. There's so many of them that are just
yeah, 1.6, it cracked, and then it just was a beauty.
literally
Absolute beauty.
never look back. That 1.55. Oh my God, all the way to $1. Are you kidding me?
I know. It's kind of
That's
painful.
gross, dude. Yeah, it's this theme, man. All these plays got overhyped because of a stupid theme, and then they all have to roll over because they're overvalued. It's irrational. Damn.
EDSA maybe given an entry level now against this previous close. Well, really, I'd give it up to like 4.6s.
Yeah, can fight. I think they're like a. I mean, I haven't heard the best things about them, to be honest. I remember reading boards back in the day and stuff. That would be brutal if they did offer like after releasing data like that or whatever. That'd be gross. Well, I don't know why they
Yeah.
would halt this long either. Like, especially on good news, they shouldn't really be halted this long. Typically, like an abnormally long halt is not a good thing, right? Like, I don't think it is,
Mm.
right? I mean,
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't. Unlikely, right? Because you want
yeah,
bulls to stick around, not. divert their
Yeah,
attention elsewhere.
not everyone be wondered like, wait, what happened? Why is my money stuck? Like, so it comes off to me as bearish. Yeah, good point, Crow. It's like they very well could be dumping shares.
Hang on. So, I mean, they did. I see another headline. By the way, VCIG, one more minute for those in VCIG. Micro cap. I saw this just came out a couple minutes ago on CANF. They surge on successful pancreatic cancer drug study. I mean, I think they're just literally
Huh.
recirculating that same news. It looks like the same news they came out with earlier.
Well, that means
This could be the moneymaker because if it,
it's a big deal. Yeah.
yeah, we got to keep our eyes on CanF because this is going to open and just squeeze higher on great news or shoot straight down on an offering. So we got to kind of be here for it. VSIG 10 seconds.
Yeah, because I mean, yeah, it's like, are they gonna halt it this long just to barcode it the rest of the day? Like,
Good job, Doug.
lower.
Good job, Doug.
11s. Nice.
Wow. I'm tempted to take like a dead cat bounce down here, dude.
Oh my God, bro. Yeah.
It's
Wow. Round trip rinse drop. And the crazy thing is, it did all that, and it's still up 40% on the day. Yeah, dude, they just annihilated the longs. Oh my God.
absolute annihilation.
That's
Yep.
brutal. There's no love in that chart. Like, that is like aggressive selling at its finest. Good God Almighty, look at that chart. 10s.
I'm going to take a long down here on it. Call me crazy.
At the 10 level.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, $10 is not a bad long.
Oh, it's
But,
halting down.
yeah.
I'm just gonna hit it a couple times down here. Try to catch this knife.
Oh my God, dude.
Wow.
So much tuition is getting paid. Dude, so much tuition is being paid today in this market.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. You best believe that.
I think look, this previous close 803. Dude, I mean, look, props to it. If it wants to head right back down there, props to it. I'll hit it just maybe one more time and risk over under like probably 850-ish.
Tuna, literally, that is a Christmas tree chart. Like, that is literally a Christmas tree chart.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, that's textbook. That's like S tier Christmas tree. I mean, it's like they just put a mirror to this whole stock, right? It's literally just textbook. Like, it's so beautiful. It really is.
AIFF still holding 120 if you're working that still. EDSA still kind of heavy under the previous close. Looks good. Looks good. Probably for maybe all day fade there. Like T-Pet's doing, like Battle's doing. So many of them are doing.
Yeah. And it's like you dig deep, you look at that PR, and it's like they name dropped Nvidia, but it's like they're not working with Nvidia. It's just the power. It's just like the AI. They're just using Nvidia's AI. Like,
yeah,
it's like they built like a little office in like some sketchy area, and like dropped a big PR.
I know. With Malaysia's Nvidia powered AI GPU, pretty much computer. So yeah, they just went live with the Nvidia computer. Computing center in Malaysia. Goodness gracious.
Yeah, right. When you look deeper, it's like, yeah, okay. And you got bulls freaking fire dancing in Discord and
Yeah,
messing.
there's so many people that got wrecked on that, dude. It's not even funny. This seriously.
Mm. Yeah, that's gross.
NASDAQ, a gathering of buyers and sellers of securities. Yeah.
Yeah, fine.
Come on, CANF. What are we doing? So after missing all those great hangovers, my only trade I'm in right now is a dead cat bounce on VCIG. That's pretty funny. I am green on the I'm green on the day from whatever it was in my BX, but
Yeah, I didn't hold a majority. Like I could have made a lot more. I just took some smaller trades, but I mean, I'm happy with that.
and
But
then
yeah, it was. I mean, hindsight, it's always fun.
CANF, I think it's going to be a good one. I think CANF's going to probably be a really good one on the day if it'll ever open anytime soon. I know. Smoked tuna. I had a little paralysis by analysis. Just really didn't step up to the plate.
Yeah,
I get in my head a lot. I get in my head a
yeah.
lot.
This market's been really tricky. So, like I said, it's just
Like yesterday, yeah, with battle. I'm
battle.
like, this is obvious.
Right,
This is obvious, and then
right,
it happens the
right.
next day, and so I just
Exactly. So then it's like it's hard
overthink.
to be aggressive the next day because it's like we've been burned repeatedly and repeatedly shorting at the bell. We've just been burned and burned and burned. So it's like, oh, it finally works one morning. Okay. Like, but it doesn't usually work. So,
Yeah,
that's just the reality of it.
VCIG 20 seconds on that.
Yeah, today's one of those days where everything just rolls over, like we talked about. The theme was overextended. A lot of these plays were overvalued, just riding, the momentum, the coattails of all this stuff. And today was rollover day. So, so you're just watching Can Fight and VCIG resumption, nines printed. You just got a little long there. I mean,
Yeah, 10, 8.
a couple point bounce could surely be in the cards. I mean, there we go. Green now.
Yeah, I'm just looking for a little dead cat bounce. I'm not looking for this thing to like reverse and
Right.
retest high day.
Yeah. Like 13 or something, even 12s. Take what you can get. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe a pushback to 15. It looks like how strong the sell-off's been. I don't even know if
I already
that's
took
in the card.
it.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't get. Yeah.
I don't trust.
Yeah, take
But
what you can. I mean, that's like a point trade there almost. I mean, should
yeah,
10% or something. Yeah, man.
I'll
Nice.
take it. Yeah, CANF back to that dumpster. I know. Tuna, I know.
Yeah, there was a lot that I didn't get to take advantage of, but that's how it goes.
Dude, I think CANF is gonna make the day. I think there's whatever happens here, we're gonna catch it because we're gonna be able to get a piece of it whenever it drops, whether it's breaking news up or down. Like we're gonna be on it. That's why I can play around for a point here and there on dead cat bounces and whatnot, but
Right.
this is probably going to be a fairly large move. CANF.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Right. And it's like at this point, man, we just the thing is like lately when these companies announce offerings, they'll have a big drop initially and then they'll grind them all the way back up and churn them. And then they'll decide to roll them over or not. So it's like just be cautious whenever it does open. Don't slam too much too fast, right? Because like we've
Mhm.
seen that kind of happen, that pattern. So
What if it is like an offering at $3? I mean, I don't care what it is. I mean, honestly, well, the offering at like $3 would be insane. That'd be amazing. I mean, that'd be huge. I'd probably be smacking the heck out of it if that thing opened up with an offering. So eyes are peeled on the news feed and just the ticker in general.
yeah, been halted for an hour, so it's probably bad. I mean,
Yeah, it may be. It may be an offering. I think Crow was thinking that maybe too. In my opinion, the news pending is an offering watch. Offering watch is gonna be like, well, I cannot miss that. That'll make the whole week here if this is offering. But I might miss it because I told my son I'm gonna go to his lunch at 11. God dang it! FOMO. I'm
all
gonna have to
right, man. Like
take my laptop.
honestly, yeah. I mean, you got to take what the market gives you. You know, don't set too high expectations either, right? Because I mean, you never know. Never know. I mean, it might open up at $4, and there's not even a trade to be had. Like that'd be crazy, but I don't know what's gonna happen. Just no one
Yeah,
knows, right? But halted this long, there probably is going to be volatility. Like we do know that much.
it's just yeah, it has happened when I'm on the daddy bus route or something after school, and then there's a massive play, and it's like, oh my god,
Yeah,
offering or whatnot. But yeah, you can't catch them all.
yeah. There's always going to be something, man.
AIFF's back under 1.2. Yeah, DLXY opened it a couple times. She's done a little red to green move. I got a lot of pre-market resistance overhead. Probably 1/8 to 2 is going to be real tough for it. DLXY. And VCIG halted down again. Dude, it got a little baby pop and straight back down.
Yeah, I mean you got it though. Yeah, it gave like a point and a half or a point or so.
Yeah, we're going to be hearing some stories. VCIG for sure. And then there's probably 100 more for that are not public. But yeah,
Mhm.
if you're just doing a little trader analysis later on X, typing in VCIG and looking at what's going on, I mean, it's going to be horror stories on this, both sides. And really, probably the theme is size down, take pieces. I mean, because really, it's look, people were working like Crow was in this at 11. And look, it's already below that initial entry. Isn't that crazy? So, I mean, he wrote it to 11 to 16. Just a great trade still. I mean, it's
Right.
I think we all look like I had a short at 31 and took it at 25 or 6. So it's
Right.
you're
Right.
never gonna yeah,
Yeah. You get the
it's
whole
hard.
piece of it, unless you're like scalping it all day or something, just watch like tunneled in, you can keep getting in and out. But yeah, I mean, you gotta take what you can get. And
Oh, VCIG's back on the halt scanner, guys. It's I see a resumption at 10:28:54 and it's opening lower. 10:28:54. I see a resumption around $10. Oh, they just came out with the news too. Hang on. Warrants for approximately 4 million in gross proceeds.
who?
Reduced price of $5 per ADS. It's an offering. They came out with an offering, bro. We can't miss this.
And fight?
CANF.
Yeah. Yeah. Knew it. Yeah, I knew
CANF.
it. They're a junky stock, dude. They had like sketchy history. I mean, the name is just
Oh,
sketchy.
oh baby. Oh baby. Here we go. Here we go. Crow, get your profits and get ready to reverse. We're resuming in about 45 seconds. So it's at $5 they offering that. I didn't really read the whole thing thoroughly, but I'm ready.
What a
10.
scam. What a junker, dude. Freaking junker.
Man,
Junk.
longs are getting capitulated left and right.
Yeah, this is tuition day, bro. Like
This is
everything rolled over off the inflated hype, war hype. Everything rolled over, and now longs get stuck in this.
20 seconds. It's on Thinkorswim. I saw that offering. 10 seconds.
What they're gonna do with it.
It's going to resume right at around 10, 12.
Still stuck.
It went away. Yeah, still stuck. It went away. The halt. Oh my God. Now with this offering, though, that we know exists, I can't take my eyes off of it now. It's going to be a random resumption time, guys. It's just going to be random. And my finger is going to be on the trigger until it resumes because this is about to be payday. An exercise price of $9.34 per ADS at a reduced exercise price of $5. I need an interpreter.
Say that again.
They entered into a definitive agreement for the immediate exercise of certain outstanding warrants to purchase up to an aggregate of about 795,000 ADSs, having an exercise price of $9.34 per ADS issued in July, issued by CANF in July at a reduced price of $5 per ADS. So warrants that they're now issuing at a reduced price at $5 is what I'm gathering, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, just it's like what we said, worst case scenario, like for longs. I mean, that's just real shallow, man. I mean, that's just, yeah, sneaky scammers.
But Charlie, you sent an email or Discord?
Exercise of warrants. Yeah, we need a news bot. I mean, all that stuff can be built with AI. Like, Tuna knows that. Like an offering bot, right? Offering news bot alert. I think I might even try to build something like that.
Now I really need an interpreter. Per quanto breve guigno. Shorten JZXN. What's she doing right now? Chinese ticker. 1 of them threes. Guys, that just look, this is gonna be just gonna kick back until CANF opens up. That's all I'm watching. VCIG's in the low 9s. Wow. Oh my god. Dude. I'm starting to feel for the longs. Normally I don't feel so bad for them, but god. I'm getting
They've been getting bailed out for months, dude. Restricted buying on Jizu.
VCIG gonna open up at 9, resume that I'm
Because of
seeing now.
what was it, their Malaysian factory? Oh, that was the $1 billion crypto angel investor scam, right? The JZXN. Yeah,
Jizu, yeah. Oh yeah, they got trying to buy the 10,000 crypto.
yeah, fake out breakout. Look at that. Fake out breakout. That Juzu Bitcoin bullshit deal. Just gross, man.
I am seeing a result. It did pop back up on the halt scanner. VCIG 10:37:23 resumption time. Resume price $9.
It's their first bit of dilution. Since when? Oh.
Okay, 10:37:23. So we got 2.5 minutes on it. Could you put subtitles? I think the subtitles probably auto generate after the live stream,
Yeah, I think they do have something like that.
but I know that doesn't help you live.
Okay. Tina, you want me to message you on Discord?
Oh, I was looking at the wrong one, guys. CANF 10:40:32 resumption, and it says it's opening at 10:39, but I don't know if that's accurate. So just finger on the trigger if you're alone here. Charlie, I don't think that message came through. YouTube may have not allowed it or something. Maybe it was too long. I don't know. I'm looking. I don't see it.
Or yeah, this
But
is ridiculous, man. I mean, they might keep it halted for a couple more hours at this point. Like, what the hell? You gonna go hit the court today? Practice some shots for tomorrow?
I know, for real. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I might get some. Probably need a jersey. Get some. Get some gear. Some sweatbands. Some glass. Some of those glasses that they wear. I don't know what I'm gonna
Yeah.
do.
That's cool though.
Make myself the least appealing coach.
I love those challenges they do, but it's not something that I mean that other traders can really involve themselves in, right? It's just like the coaches competing.
No, you can. You can pick your 5 and win. I think credits or something for a 5K account. I
Oh, okay.
just pick your 5. VCIG even lower, guys, in the 8s.
Mm.
Here, I'm gonna post it in the chat for you guys so you can look at the March Madness tournament. Yeah, that may be what happened, Charlie, because it's not even letting me post this link in here. It's just too long. There you go. Yeah, click on that link. It'll take you to it and explain everything. And it's got the coaches on there. It's funny. Good stuff.
What's that on where?
The link I put in the YouTube chat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's got an image. The AI does all this stuff, dude. I mean, look at the image of me on there. It's hilarious. Oh, they got a couple other coaches. Very cool.
Let me go type it in.
Tony B, he normally calls in. God, I don't want to miss this, but I think I'm just gonna have to go here soon, dude.
Yeah, man. I mean, you got family stuff. It's all good, bro. Like, don't romanticize it too much. Like, you could end up losing money on the trade. Nothing's guaranteed. Oh my god. What the? This is funny. They got him holding the basketball. Oh my god. This is it's like cringy but cool.
Yeah.
You holding the ball like
Yeah.
that's hilarious, dude. Michael. Tony and Chris. I don't think I've seen them.
So
Anything else you recognize?
yeah, I know Chris is a very good trader.
No. Yeah.
I think he's taken a lot of payouts I've seen on
He probably
X.
trades like us if he's talking about pump and dumps and low float pennies. Yeah.
Yeah. And then Tony B, he was on a funded interview, and I remember we call him Coach TB. He's called him a few times, and he trades Tesla a lot. He like is the
Okay.
surgeon of Tesla. He does really well, and he's been funded in payouts and doing real well with that. But man, yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Yeah, tomorrow at 12. Make sure you're there if you want to be a part of it. Where that's the draft time, so you can pick whoever you think is gonna win, and then if that coach wins, you get, what does it say, a 5K eval, and then if you want to pick your own portfolio as well,
Okay. And
you
we can
can.
do both
Let me see.
or
I'm
one
not.
or the other. Wait, so this goes on for a month, bro. This isn't a
Yeah.
week.
Well, it is weekly. Like every week, you draft a new five, essentially five stocks.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Up to 2 million in prizes. Come on.
That's probably. I mean, that's evals. 2 million. It's like, come on, that's chump change. We're managing $1 million virtual portfolio over here. Come on. Yeah, unlike the pick your
Yeah.
coach challenge, you can build your own team. I don't know. I think it's one or the other. The stocks are swings, yeah, for the week. So live draft nights, uh, watch build their squads in real time. Then the tip off, Market Madness goes live. That's the thing that I'm uncertain about, because I'll get some clarity from them on it. Like when do the first trades go off? Because are they going to be this Friday or March 16th? I need to make sure I know that, because that certainly matters. I wrote it down. Let me take a look.
So it starts at 12 tomorrow. Yeah.
So draft
Draft opens. Pick your winning coach. I don't know if we get to pick and build or pick or build. That's my question. Here we go. What is the tournament format? Elite Six, Final Three, trophy ceremony is live on April 6th.
Yeah.
And that's cool though. I like
Okay, so it goes live the 16th. Man, that's like a long time from tomorrow, though. So I don't know if my plays are going to be in play by then, because yeah, draft, watch the coaches build their. Wow. Okay. So the 16th is the tip off, and that's pretty much on a Monday. And then every Friday at the close, the positions are essentially like liquidated. Again, these are not positions that are going live on like Trade the Pool. It's just the click of a mouse kind of position. So
that's cool.
every Friday close, the positions get liquidated. Every Monday, yeah, 16th it begins. Then the 23, the next week starts, and then the 30th, the next week starts, and then yeah,
So first place gets 100K, second gets 50K, and third gets 25K.
nice. Sounds right.
But there's only 8 teams, right? Right? or
Are
is
you
it?
looking at the coaches? You can
Oh,
either
there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 10. Okay. So there's 10 coaches.
if your core 5 outperforms the official tournament champion, you get a 5K eval and then compete for the podium. Every team you build is a shot at the top. We're awarding the 3 highest P&L finishes. So that's over that's over the month, 3 or 4 weeks of it. You'd be getting rewarded
Yeah,
100K.
I'm confused. Like I think Tuna said too. It's like, are we able to scout different stocks? We only can trade.
No, you just enter in on Monday which tickers you want to either long or short at whatever current price they're at on that Monday. And you cannot, it's again, that's just you enter it in what tickers at whatever price they're trading at, you want to buy or short at that price on Monday. And then that's it. They get liquidated there on that Friday at the close.
Huh.
Being a coach is just, I'm just picking the 5 like you would. I think it's one or the other you can do. You either pick on
Follows the coach.
or create your own, I don't think this thing's going to open anytime soon. I don't know what's going on, man. I'm a head out, and fingers crossed it stays closed until I get back. I'm gonna go eat lunch with my son.
Yeah, man. Well,
But
good job today, guys. Pretty clean morning.
yeah, I
And
mean,
yeah,
green would like a little greener, but we'll see. We'll see what
yeah.
CANF does. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you tomorrow for the drafting event over at TTP, and then picking our plays in the morning. It can be TCGL CANF with the offering, with exercising the warrants. We'll see. Yeah, take care, guys.